guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm gonna be putting on some nails, and these are the nails that I'm gonna be using. It's the Easter nails. They're really cute. I got these on, I think, Shein or Tim. I'm not sure where, and I found them yesterday, and I want to wear them. So these are the nails that I'm gonna be wearing. And here are the things that you're going to need. So we need a cuticle oil. So after we finish with our nails, we can put these beautiful oils on the cuticles. And of course, a file. A nail clipper, just in case if they're too long. And this is the glue that I wear. It's Nail Glue Beauty Secrets. And a brush, just to file off the excess. So I'm going to be prepping my nails. They look really naked right now, but don't worry, we're going to fix them. So let's start with the first part. Okay, so I'm going to grab my nail clippers, and I'm going to, well, these ones are already cut off, but I'm going to cut off a little bit of access to some nails that I have here. Because they're getting a little bit long. I'm going to grab my file. I'm just going to trim them. Like that. Now I'm going to be taking the little things that I have here, the little cuticles, because they look really ugly. So let me find my cuticle stick and I'll be back. I found the cuticle, and I'm going to be using this part here to just push the cuticles back. Open this, my nails. Okay, so here are the nails. They're really cute. I didn't know I have these, and yesterday I was cleaning my closet and I found these in a box. Nails look like really stinking cute. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the right size, and then we're going to glue them. So I'll be right back. Okay, a few minutes later, I got all of them here. So this was from my left, and this is from my for the right. So now we're going to use this filer. So we're going to file our nails. Okay, after we're finished, we're going to grab our brush, and we're just going to brush the excess off. Like that. So now we're going to grab our glue. So we have the little glue here, and it's time for us to put the nails on. So this is what it looks like. So let's start putting our nails and make these hands look beautiful. So I'm going to grab the glue, and I'm going to put the glue on the nails. It's a dot, and I like to just spread it around. And then we're going to stick the nail in there, and we're going to press. There is the first nail. So now I'm going to stick all of them on the rest of my fingers, and I'll be back to show you the final results. Alright guys, so this is what the nails look like. Really cute. Now the last part is to add a cuticle oil. I got this at the Dollar Tree. Now we're going to just add some cuticle oils in there. And we are done. This is the final result. They are so cute. So if you like this nail tutorial, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me down below as social medias, also in the description box. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Stay safe out there, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.